Do you know what this means? This means it's time to travel somewhere. Come on. We're at that stage where you're just like, I need to hurry up. Do you know what's happening? As you know, guys, I've had a very difficult time the last couple of weeks. But today that's all going to change because I'm getting out the suitcase. As you've seen from the title of this video, it's January and we are going to explore Turkey to see what the food's like, as always, to do a food review, but also to have a little bit of downtime, which is going to be just lovely. What do you pack when you're going to Turkey? Please excuse what I'm looking like because the tan is half on, half off. The hair is half done, half not. And we are going to get the suitcase out. I can't wait. I haven't been this excited for somewhere in so long. Unusually, I'm going to start in my office. Got leads everywhere. So these little beauties, these need to go in for charging up. So they're already charged up, so I shall unplug those. Now, in case you don't know, everything electric has to go in your hand luggage. So we're taking the portable chargers, the phone chargers, everything like that in the hand luggage. So I've bought this clear case that goes around the body. I've seen loads of people with these and it's got a nice rose gold thing, and I'm going to wear that around my body so I don't have to keep getting it in and out for filming and stuff like that. So I think that's going to be amazing. I treated myself to this lovely new Wayne Dyer book. I'm a big fan of Wayne Dyer, if you know, and it's a Living Your Purpose journal. So it's got all these bits on one side that you read and then you fill it in on the other side. So I really want to hone in on some of that. I'm taking some business cards because I'm going to flop them about in some of the books as bookmarks. And you saw this last time, didn't even open this. And I'm going to finish reading my Elton John book. I've absolutely loved that. It's written so well. Money in there. I've got passports ready. My plan was to be in bed at 9 o'clock. It's now 8:15. Can I pack in 45 minutes? I don't know. Just found these, which I will be taking with me. This is taking a lot of thinking about because the weather is all sorts. So I've got my Boys Get Sad 2 jumper drying on there, which is probably dry. So I'm going to take stuff like this. I'm really into my big oversized jumpers at the minute. I've got one on today as well, New York one. It's become a tradition in our house that when we go on a road trip, we take prawn crackers. I'm going to show you my lovely nails that Jasmine's done for me, if we can get them on. So feet are done with hot pink. Look at those. And yes, I've done a leg day today, so my legs are pretty cool. And my hands are, I don't know if you can see, they've got French. Look at that, French with a sheen of pink, light pink. I'm taking probiotics because that's important. And these are new ones. Once they're open, they need to stay in the fridge, which we've got in the room. There's 60 tablets, there's 3 of us going. So we'll take one a day, do the maths. I've got these are also from Holland & Maron, little tiny coconut oil. It's really hard to get coconut oil at the airport. So I bought 2 of those because I really like it in my hair, on my skin. Whoops. And while they're close up, then that's going to be cool. I'm going to take a little load of stuff just in case. Ibuprofen, diarrhea tablets, amoxicillin, Barocca. There's a load more stuff that I'm going to be taking just in case. All right, it's a mess everywhere. So I thought I'd come and do the exciting bit, right? You ready? This is where we get the case out. And it's bloody lovely. So I need my hat, which goes, my ponytail goes through it. I can't give you a link to that because I bought it off of Instagram and I don't have a link for it, so I'm really sorry. And more recently, we bought these packing cubes, which I'm going to go through with you. They're okay, they're not very flimsy, and I think everything is flimsy in packing cubes. I'm going to leave the snorkeling stuff here. I made that mistake when we went to Egypt last year in March because the water was too cold to get in. Do you remember that video? So you can't see me, but you can see all of this. So packing cubes, I put very cleverly all of the water bikini stuff in a packing cube. I don't think I'm going to take all of it. Don't think I need all of it. The sun's going to be out. The temperature, this is the difficult thing, right? The temperature's floating around 18 degrees-ish. And so obviously, you know, you can get a little bit of sun. Somebody said to me, oh, I wouldn't go in January, it's way too cold for me. But I can't sunbathe anyway. But I don't want to be frightened of the sun, I just need to be careful of it. But I do think yeah, it'll be good to get a bikini on if we can get a bikini on. So I'm just going to take a couple. I'm going to take swimming costumes because there's an indoor swimming pool. You might not know this about me, but I really enjoy swimming. It really helps my joints, so I like that. So I'm going to pick out a couple of bikinis from here, put them back in the packing cubes so that I know when I get there that's what they're for. A couple of hoodies or big sweatshirts, several t-shirts. I'm going to take some pegs because there's normally somewhere that you can peg stuff on outside in the balcony, and I thought I can wash some stuff in the room and peg it out because we're there for 2 weeks and you're not going to be able to pack enough fresh clothes for 2 weeks, so I will have to do some washing, which is cool. And there is a laundry service there, but I'm really nervous that they're going to shrink everything. So yeah, lots of little vest tops layering and stuff. Really weird because when we went to Iceland we knew it was just going to be 100% cold all the time, and when we've gone to like when we went to Tunisia, that was a little bit some and some. But this is, yeah, got to be careful. But this old faithful throw is going to come because I love that. Just throw it on, go for your breakfast. It's lovely. I was hoping I'd done this, and I have done this. I've left out old flip-flops that we wear just for around the pool in the case. So that's good. And this, in case we go underwater with the phone, and the plugs. So we take loads of these, and we normally take an extension lead, so that can go in, and then we take the extension lead, which has got like another 4 of those, and then 2 USB ports, and it's really handy. So I shall leave those in there. And on my case, I've got this little bit this side where I put shoes, and then I'll put like toiletry packing cubes there as well. So that's just seems to work, but I don't know whether to pack this up here or take it downstairs because most of my stuff's going to be from downstairs. I'll probably do that. That makes some sense. So let's go downstairs. I'm dramatically running out of time. What did I say? 9 o'clock. It's now, look, 20 to 10. I'm getting really tired because we're going to be up at 1 o'clock to leave. So this is my top tip before I finish this vlog. Lay out your bits that you need for the morning, and then the thing that it's going to go into, right? So that that's all ready. Get your hand luggage. All right, Jasmine? Yeah. Get your hand luggage near the clothes that are going to go with that you're going to wear in the morning. Mine are laid out down there, laid out aka thrown on the floor. My case is here ready to be closed up when I've put those few said bits in there. I've got some bits and bobs charging in my office, and they will need to be used in the morning as well. Obviously I have to do something with my hair, probably do that in the morning because I'm getting very tired now. Jasmine looks incredibly organised, I'm proud to say.
A bit more organised than it looks.
It's a difficult one to plan, isn't it?
It is, because it's like we don't exactly know what the weather's going to be like, and it's one of them weathers of like, if you're in the sun, out of the wind, it could be beautiful.
Yeah.
But then if it's in the shade and in the wind, it could be pretty chilly.
Yeah, exactly. Like if you was going to Egypt in July, you'd only need bikinis and cover-ups.
Yeah.
Or shorts and whatever you like, but and really warm stuff because it'd be warm all the time, you can guarantee it. But this one we're not sure, so it was a difficult one, but I'm there, and we've got 3 cases, so we've got a case each. We're leaving at 2, and then we should be there just after lunch, I think, because it's 3 hours ahead. Very exciting. Make sure you have subscribed to watch out for all the series, because in case you don't know, what I do is I go around and have a look at the food that you can get there, especially if you are a celiac, which means you don't eat gluten, because I like to see what the choices are out there for people like us. So me and my little organised bunch of stuff are going to sign out now, and I will catch you in the morning when we do a travel with us to Turkey.
How exciting.
Very exciting. We've been to Turkey individually. I went with Jasmine, and I went with Nathan, and I went with my mum, but we haven't all been together, and this is amazing. A few people have said to me, is Nathan camera shy? I'm like, he's definitely not camera shy, he's just a really busy lad. He has a lot on, and this isn't really his work, and it's sort of our work kind of thing, so I don't want to call it that because it's such a joy. Anyway, so yeah, he'll be with us, and it'll be so nice. Cannot wait. So we'll see you in the morning. Do you know what this means? This means it's time to travel somewhere. Come on. So good morning, everybody. It's a very early middle of the night, actually, here, and I am saying goodbye to my birthday now, and it's time to fly to Antalya in Turkey.